How to appear offline on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Snapchat so you can browse in peace without showing your active status. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. And now here, once you are on the profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled as See My Location under the privacy section. And this is where you can manage who can see your real-time location and online activity. So here on the See My Location option, you can see the option labeled as Ghost Mode. So simply toggle on that option. And here, once the ghost mode is turned on, your location and active status will be completely hidden from your friends. And you will now appear offline on Snapchat and won't show up on the Snap Map either. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.